In this video, I will tell you how to install Dev C++. After searching Dev C++, you can see the official website. Just click on that. Scroll downward and just click on download original Dev C++. Wait few seconds and it will download automatically. Click on minimize. After that, click on my PC and then download and then install the setup. Click on browse and select the location where you want to install Dev C++. If you will tick the box, then it will automatically run after installation. Select your Dev C++ theme according to yourself. And now you can create your own program and run it.